Hello, today I'm doing two super vibrant Dutch pours. You can see I have lots of colors there. This is my base. It's Amsterdam Titanium White mixed 1-to-1 with water, so you can see it's pretty thin. I will list all the colors as I go, but I just want to show some consistency. So this is Primary Magenta by Amsterdam, and then this is Pebeo Blue Violet. You can see it's a little thicker. All the paints are just mixed with water, and sometimes they thicken up a bit more or just slightly differently as they're sitting. This is the Pebeo Precious Gold, and it's a little bit thinner again. So I haven't found there to be a huge difference when I'm working with slightly different consistencies in the colors. The consistency of the base is what seems to be the biggest factor in getting like really different outcomes. So torching air bubbles out of the base, and then I'm using my little mini blow dryer. It's just 1,000 watts to get an even layer down on the canvas without just flooding it. I don't want to have too much paint there this time. The quantity of paint you use is what can really give you very different outcomes. Using my fingers, put some paint on the sides and just briefly torching one last time. Starting with my colors, Amsterdam Primary Magenta and Winsor Newton Permanent Magenta is the second one. Then I've got the Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold here. I like to use a lot of this gold because it creates cells. Now I'm putting down some Amsterdam, I think it's turquoise green. You can see how it's listed, the exact color. And this is Amsterdam Burnt Umber mixed with Van Dyke Brown. I just didn't have very much of each of the browns, so I mixed them. And this is Pebeo Blue Violet. It's also an iridescent color, and it can shine blue when it's dry. And it also can create a lot of cells. So I'm almost out of this bronze here. It's by Amsterdam, so just a small amount here over the top. Then finally a touch of this fluorescent pink by Amsterdam. So I'm putting some white base around all of the colors now. This is going to help all of my colors mix a bit and flow nicely. I'm going to be using my little mini blow dryer again, but first I'm torching briefly just because I want to get air bubbles out again. And here I go, just pushing some white paint towards the colors. It's going to enable my colors to mix just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the blowout. I'm using this larger blow dryer. I'm just showing the direction I'm going to blow it, and I do tweak it a bit, so it goes through some changes. This first part's really beautiful, but I'll let you enjoy the rest, and I'll be back soon. Okay, I'm back. I'm adding some final details, torching up some little cells there, and adding a little bit of white here. And just look at those sides and those super vibrant colors. I just love these colors. They just make me really happy. I love the turquoise, and that's why I redid that right side initially, because I just felt like it was kind of flat. It didn't have all the range of color that was on the left, and just want to show the sides on this one because all the sides are just really gorgeous. So there's the far side, just super beautiful. And now I'm putting this off to the side, and I'm going to just scrape all the paint that was left on the plastic, wipe it up, and then I'm going to be using this as a base. I just add a little more white to it. And I'm going to use this blue black instead of the bronze in this little mini pour. So I'm getting my base down, and of course this is all leftover paint with just a little bit of white added, so I was sure that I had enough. And I'm also substituting sky blue for the turquoise green in the last pour. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this, and I'll be back when it's done. Look at those sides. I am just in love with these colors and just the flow and all the details on this little mini. Definitely gonna have to go larger on something like this, but let's check out the dried results. Here is the first one. Dried super vibrant, you know, even though acrylics tend to dry darker, and you can see some of the iridescence popping there from that blue violet color. That's so pretty. And just lots of details in this one. I really like how it kind of fades out there on the top. And yeah, just really happy with this. And here is the little mini. So that blue black and blue violet, those Pebeo colors really kind of they're very present, put it that way. But it's a nice contrast to all the pink and magenta. And I just love the details of the cells and the flow on this one. I definitely prefer it over the first one, but would love to hear what you guys think. I'm going to show them both up on the wall here. You can see like the size difference. It's quite a lot. The second one was an 8x8. Not sure if I said that. But anyways, I hope this video was inspiring, gave you some ideas and helpful tutorial. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with another one soon. Bye now.